it's Alex and I'm in my hallway and I'm really fed up. I'm fed up with my hair. It's like, it's been damaged by welding burns. I've had oil in it. It's disgusting. Like, oh, what is going on? I worked out I haven't had a haircut for 18 weeks. So I'm just off to the hairdresser. I know it doesn't sound very exciting, but I want to show you Jessie because it's been really cold here. It's been frosty. It's not frosty now, but it has been frosty, and I haven't used her for, I don't know, over a week, I'm sure. So I'll let you see her cold starting. Just before I go out, I'm going to put this heater in here that I bought. It's a space heater. So I'm going to be having that on in the garage while I'm working later. Yes, I know, I'm getting my hair done. And then I'm going to go and work in the garage. Oh, that's annoying. That doesn't fit. Damn it, I'll have to get the extension lead. Anyway, that's for later. You know, I really hope I get a new camera for Christmas because this one's doing my head in. Just blooming cut off as she started. Bloody camera. Ooh. She front fired. Anyway, I think I had the choke out too much. She flooded herself a little bit. Oops. I'm glad I didn't have to scrape her this morning anyway. The other day, when I was at work, I managed to pick up some blue antifreeze and some deionised water, and those are for my new toy, my Ford Galaxy, because there's no antifreeze in it at the moment. So yes, that will be a job for tomorrow. I'll be very disappointed if none of you noticed that I've actually got two yellow vans down the end of my road. I'm babysitting the old spare van at the moment because I had to use it for a bit, and then, well, there wasn't really anywhere to put it, so I said alright, it can live down the end of the road. I've got you mounted on the dashboard so you can see Jessie's nose going along, and we're only just going into Gloucester town centre, so I can go and get my blimmin' hair cut. I don't plan on doing anything else because I want to get back, put that heater on and start sanding down that wing of Mr. Jenkins. Oh dear, everything's out of sync at the moment regarding videos, because I've got videos that I filmed back when it was warm and sunny that I need to edit. Yeah, I'm just really behind on it all at the moment, especially with the NEC and Betty, the Ford Galaxy coming. So you'll probably see tomorrow's video, well in advance, I would imagine, because I'll put the video of us trying to get Betty on the drive first, so that you would have seen that already. So you get to look into the future. Pretty impressive, isn't it? The speedo has not moved. I'm going to try knocking on the glass. Haha, that was my friend Holly in that little van that went past. I just waved at her. No, knocking on the glass did not make the speedo move, so oh well. Looks like I'm destined not to be able to service and repair speedometers. Oh well. Obviously, don't know what I'm doing there. Oh God, we're stuck behind a learner, and everyone in front is not keeping any distance, so they like get close and then they slam on the brakes, and it's like, oh, for God's sake, you know, just drive smooth. cutting out, but I have got the choke out a little bit with a, well, it's not the choke, it's the fast idle. I'll try putting it in a bit. Well, it seems okay now. A bit strange, maybe the dash pot's sticking or something. Maybe I'm sure I checked the fluid level in the dash pot. I'll have to check it again. I keep sniffing today. I haven't got a cold. It's just the morning. I hate mornings. I'd be in bed still if I didn't have this blooming appointment. City Centre's new bus station up there in front of us, and some massive monstrosity they've built. I was so happy when they knocked down the horrible concrete car park that was there, and now they've put up these big things. I don't even know what they are. Office blocks, I presume. There's a bit floating through the sky, look. What I was going to say is I would have had Jesse's radiator muff on by now, but I just haven't had the time to do it, because obviously I've got to take the grill off to get to the fixings, which isn't bad on Jesse because I've left the two lower mounts for the grill off, so all I have to do is unbolt the two at the top and then I can just take the grill out, so it's easy peasy. I feel like I've gone the long way round to get to this hairdresser's, you know. Never mind, it gives the car a run, doesn't it? There's Malvern tyres there. I recommend Malvern tyres if you have to get tyres. Obviously I recommend Blockley tyres for P4s and things, but for your modern contraption I would use Malvern tyres. Better than Quick Fit. Am I allowed to say that? use. As you can see, look, there's an Audi there that's just stopped in the middle of the roundabout. Who does that? Why would you do that? You don't stop on a roundabout. No matter how big or small it is, unless you're giving way to the right, and they were giving way to the left. So that's impressive, isn't it? Stupid roundabout, that. Oh, what have they knocked down there? Some sort of police building was there, I think. That red brick building to the left, that's Gloucester Prison, or it was Gloucester Prison. So there's the new bit here, even though it's not a prison anymore. This is the new bit, and then the older red bricks on the left, that's the old part of Gloucester Prison. I actually went round the prison, they did a tour, it was interesting. That's the only way I ever want to see a prison. I don't want to see a prison for real life. I'm a good girl. That's it, you will walk across the road with a red man. I ain't stopping. Right, let's see if we can get space. Ooh. Couldn't pay with blimmin' coins. You can see now, it's the 1st of December. Bloody December. £3.30 for 2 hours. And that's all I've got, 2 hours. So they better hurry up with the scissors, right? Now I've got a 10-mile frigging walk. At least it's not raining. I've got my hair cut. It feels a lot better. A lot better. It was well overdue. So I've got the long, cold walk back to the car. Jessie's still here with her saggy bum. I'd like to change the rear springs on her. I was going to do that this year, but I never got around to it. All still in one piece. Done a little bit of a fast idle. Yes, beautiful. I tell you what, I am losing my patience with this camera. If it cuts off one more time, you're going out the window, mate. You're going out the window. Why is there so much traffic? It's a late Friday morning. What are people doing? This is another reason I don't like this time of year. Everyone rushing around, Christmas shopping. Go home. Just go home. Pretend it's COVID time. Just shut yourself away. Just putting my fast idling. Might get my muff out later. Sounds dodgy, doesn't it? Well, it's not my muff, it's Jessie's muff. I'm gonna get it on. I better put it on because I'm going to Wales tomorrow. The cold. You know what? I'm gonna say that's all for this video. And I'm going to say goodbye because this camera, you're going out the window if you're not careful, so it's cut off again. So before I lose my mind, I'm going to say goodbye and thanks for watching.